Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can add a new page to the home screen on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes, and also do not forget to write comments at the end of the video. So let's get into this topic. And let's say, if you want to add another new page to your home screen, let's say I have 3 pages, as you can see, and you can switch between them just by swiping sideways. And in order to create a new page, you have to fill it with something. Because you can't create empty pages, they're empty, they're automatically deleted. In order to create a new page, you'll need to add an app or a widget to it. To do this, click on any of the applications. And that way, when they start to stagger a little bit, you'll see that they can be moved. You can grab the app and drag it. And so, as you can see, a new page has now been created that has one of the apps on it. You can also add a widget. Click on the app to do that as well. Click Edit Home Screen. And at the top on the left side, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that. And here you'll see different widgets that you can add yourself. And you can move them around as well. This is how you can make a new home screen page on your iPhone, friends. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.